highly competitive industries, link building is a critical component of SEO for generating organic traffic from search engines. Links from other websites are accurate to raise a website's search engine rating. A website must have strong technical SEO, decent on-page SEO, excellent content, and a nice user experience to build links effectively. Today, it's essential to focus on quality, relevance, and authenticity in link building rather than low-quality spammy techniques. Link building is more like great marketing, and organizations that understand this are more likely to achieve long-term organic search success. Hello people, this is Mori from ASL BPO, and today I'm going to provide you a comprehensive overview of link building, including its importance, the meaning of it for search engines, and what makes a good link. This will help you quickly to get started and succeed in the link building. So let's dive into the video. What is link building? The process of getting backlinks or inbound links to a website so that it will rank higher in search engine is known as link building. Backlinks show search engines that other websites think the linked site is a reliable source of information. The higher a website is likely to rank in SERP, the more high quality backlink it has. But it's important to remember that the quality and the relevance of the linking site are more important than the number of links, since low quality or irrelevant links can hurt a website's reputation and ranking. Types of link that matters the most for SEO. There are several types of link that are important for SEO, such as internal links. Linking between pages on your website helps user and search engines to navigate your site and also helps distribute page authority and ranking power throughout your site. Backlinks, also called inbound links. Links from other website to your site helps to establish your site authority and improves its search engine visibility. Outbound links. Links from your site to other relevant high-quality websites show search engines that your site is credible and trustworthy source of information. No-follow links. Links with a no-follow attribute do not pass along any ranking power or authority to the linked site, but can still drive traffic and provide other SEO benefits. And lastly, anchor text. The clickable text in a link helps search engines understand that linked content. Using descriptive and relevant keywords in the anchor text can improve a page's search engine's visibility. Why is developing links is so important? Links are one of the key elements that impact a website's search engine ranking according to Google's Audrey-Lepetsev. In the eyes of Google and other search engines, links from other websites are considered votes that help to determine the best page on a particular topic to be ranked at the top of search results. As a result, pages with more backlinks tend to have higher search engine rankings. However, it's important to note that links alone aren't the only factor that Google considered when ranking pages. If you have a high number of links but your page still needs to rank better, it's important to investigate your ranking factors that may be holding you back. What actually links mean for the search engines? Search engines use links in two ways: to discover new web pages and to determine a page ranking in search results. Google's page rank, created by Larry Page, was a trustworthy indicator of page quality based on the number of links pointing on a page. However, as SEO found ways to manipulate search results, Google began penalizing websites using low-quality link building techniques. Focus on quality in link building has increased as Google filters out low-quality links. Although the exact algorithm is not publicly known, links are still considered to play a significant role in search results, and high-quality links can also help to improve page rankings and increase website traffic. How to create links? Building high-quality links are key to improving a website search engine's ranking. Here are some strategies for building links. Create valuable and shareable content. People naturally link to a high-quality, helpful content that they find online. Guest blogging. Reach out to other sites in your niche and offer to write a blog post for them in exchange for a link to your site. Broken link building. Find broken links on specialized websites and offers to replace them with your links. Directory submission. Submit your website to reputable web directories. Social media marketing. Share your content on social media and engage with your followers to encourage them to link your site. Influencer outreach. Contact influential people in your industry to get them to mention or link to your website. Partnership and collaboration. Collaborate with other websites or businesses to create content or promotions that will result in backlinks. Commenting on other blogs. Leave relevant, high-quality comments on other blogs in your niche to build your credibility and attract links back to your site. It's important to focus on building high-quality links from a reputable sources, as low-quality links can harm your ranking and credibility. Avoid using link building techniques that violate search engine's terms of services. What makes a backlink effective? It is uncertain how Google calculates the value of links. However, the SEO community has some widely expected ideas about evaluating links: authority, relevance, anchor text, no follow versus follow, placement, and destination. Let's now discuss this thing more briefly. Authority. Authority in SEO is that quality of a website or web page that affects the weight of its backlinks, with higher authority leading to better page rank. Tools like SEMrush backlink analytics can be used to determine a website's authority. Relevance. Relevance of the linking site is crucial in determining the value of a link in SEO. Google considers the content relevant to a query and examines if prominent websites link to a content. To boost SEO, it's best to pursue links from a relevant website, such as those in the same industry. Anchor text. Anchor text is the clickable text in a hyperlink and plays a significant role in determining the subject of the linked page for both search engines and readers. Descriptive and relevant anchor text is best for improving SEO, while the generic text is unhelpful. No follow versus follow. The no follow attributes tells Google that linking page does not want to give its vote to reference page. In 2019, Google switched to a hint model, allowing some no-followed links to influence the rankings. The UGC and sponsored attributes were introduced for user-generated links and sponsored links, respectively. Followed links are considered the most valuable, but a no-follow link from a relevant, high-authority page can still have value. Placement. The position of a link on a web page is really very important in determining its value. According to Google, links within the main body or a web page from a higher authority than links located in the sidebars, footers, or low in the page's contents. Google has a pattern that examines the likelihood of a reader clicking on a link based on its placement. A higher probability, usually higher up on the page, results in a stronger link. Destination. Links to your website can be directed to your home page, linkable assets, or the pages you want to rank well in Google. However, these pages are often the hardest to get links to. One way to help with this is to use internal linking to improve the ranking of the pouring pages. Final thoughts. I hope you got the basic about link building. There is some deeper understanding of this topic, like the link building strategies and the tools we can use. This will be described in our next video. If you are new to our channel, then there are other SEO topics you can see to get a basic knowledge of SEO. At ASLBPO, we provide SEO services and conduct comprehensive audit of your website to identify and solve any other issues. Our services are transparent and are designed to help increase your visibility and grow your business. To learn more about our services, please see our description. We will see you in the next video. Adios!